Alright, all this running around is making us hungry. So we're gonna go ahead and grab some Rainforest Cafe. Act like you're lifting it harder.
Oh.
I'm joking, it's a video.
What?
Sucker.
Say people moving carts are not smiling.
Sucker. And this is actually one of the bigger Rainforest cafes in Florida, at least. It's pretty big. Alright, so we got a 30-minute wait before we can get seated. But if you've never been to a Rainforest cafe, there's a lot of stuff to do while you wait. It is jungle themed with animatronic type of animals. See if I can find one for you. Promise I'm not in the grill section. It's just that this jaguar up there is the first one that I've noticed. His eyes blink and his tail will move. And up here, snakes. Why has it gotta be a snake? But he moves. Alright, our name just called. Time to go eat. Tracy, you're pretty creepy. Yeah. Went with the burger, added a bacon. We got the same thing. Nuggets. And Heather's the only one semi-healthy with the salad. Alright, dinner was a success. Now to go see Pandora at night. Ava. Ava. It's almost like we have the whole park to ourselves right now. Only ones around. Telling you guys about the floor kind of illuminating at night. There you go. Remember those animal prints from earlier, I thought? Well, there you go. You can kind of tell that they've been walking around. Pretty much goes with the theme of all the jungle animals. So another side note is, at night, you can hear a lot more of the wild animals that roam Pandora. She looks super realistic. But here you can make your own avatar. So you have the face and kind of what you would look like. I wonder how expensive that is, but it's pretty cool. Looks like you do that right back here. Have you sit in some chair and that thing rotates around your head. The Ace Avatar Maker. So we just got clarification, it is $74 to go ahead and do your face onto an avatar toy. Quick side note, if you want to do that toy option, you guys need to do a reservation for it because it takes roughly about an hour to make and the lines get pretty big. So concludes our trip to Animal Kingdom.
I'm not sad tonight.
What happens the following year? We're right back.
I'm kind of sad. Pandora was pretty cool. We didn't get to see everything that we wanted to. but that's not going anywhere anytime soon. Any words of wisdom?
You want to come here, come in the wintertime. It's not so hot.
You guys look in the side bag. We did buy some stuff from Pandora. Hit it. But as always, I want to say thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.